Let's go destroy Eggman's stuff. Here we go. Bye, guys. Feeling good. Yeah. Epic badassery. Oh, God, that didn't work. Sweet moves, bro. Only Eggman wishes he can do the stuff I do. Oh, God. Sweet moves, bro. Eggman wishes he could be me. Then again, who does it? Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. That was funny, Chip. You were supposed to laugh. Oh, Sonic, I'm sorry. I'm still kind of pissed at you making fun of my mother, who doesn't really exist, but... You know, the grandmother I don't really have. Hey, Chip, I have a question. How are you catching up? Because reasons, Sonic. I can fly. You just run. And I can take shortcuts that you can't take. That's how Tails beats me in a race all the time. Ah, God! I'm epic. No one can beat me in this racing. No one can beat me with my super motherfucking supersonic speed. No one can defeat me. I am super OP. Ah, okay, I stand corrected. Feeling good. Yeah. Whoa, yeah, here we go. Oh, God. Wow. Hey, Chip, I just had a premonition. I died. You know? I was killed, man. Sonic, I don't understand. Oh, God. This wasn't my premonition. Chip, I just had another premonition. Ho, ho, ho. What the hell? Here I had a premonition. Sonic, I don't think you can have premonitions. I think you're pulling an Undertale and just constantly keep dying. Shut up, Chip. We should not speak of that game just because it's better than me. Ah! Chip! Ah! Chip, help. Ah. Ah. Here we go. Epic badassery, bro. No, what the fuck? Chip, I keep having premonitions. Chip, I need help. No, God damn it, no! having premonitions of me getting killed. Oh my god, I'm gonna keep running forever, aren't I? Fuck me! Whoops, gotta keep it PG. Don't swear, kids. Come on! Oh, yeah! Damn it, I was super close! Oh god, oh no! Oh. Too bad I expected that to be difficult. Ah, first try. I don't know how. Oh, come on! You going up? Oh, Jesus. Here we go, you motherfuckers. No! No! Yes! Where am I? What is happening? Ah! Oh, shite, I'm gonna die. Oh, crap, no! Jesus Christ! Oh. Nailed it. Okay, yeah. Ha. Oh, oh, ah. Tails, why won't anyone help me? Been having constant premonitions out of nowhere. Well, these robots seem to be dysfunctional, so I guess I'm gonna leave.